Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. In the following question, select the related number from the given alternatives. 7 is to 336 is equivalent to 5 is to blank. Now looking at this number 336, we can remember cube of 7. Cube of 7 is 343. So what is the relation between 343 and 336? Let's find out. 336 is equal to 343 minus 7. So this relationship is a cube, a is to a cube minus a. So the equivalent will be 5 is to 5 cube minus 5, which is equal to 5 is to 125 minus 5, which is equal to 5 is to 120. So blank should be 120. Answer is option B.